Dr. Bug here. Have you noticed something strange in early spring? One day it feels like winter, and the next day there's bugs. Spring doesn't actually arrive all at once, it sneaks in. Insects are some of the earliest signs that the season is changing. And if you have started noticing them around your home or garden, your observations are right on schedule. So kids ask, where do all the bugs come from? Were they hiding? Great observation, and yes, many insects really were hiding, spending the winter in different places like under leaf litter, tucked into soil cracks, hidden under tree bark. You might remember from our video on insects in winter that many insects go into sort of a hibernation called diapause. Think of it like pressing the pause button on their development until the environment gets better for them to finish growing up. The grasshopper moms lay their eggs underground, and those eggs diapause through winter. The woolly bear caterpillars that hatch late in the summer diapause in the caterpillar stage. All winter long they wait. And then, when early spring arrives, insects respond to nature's alarm clocks. It might be warmer soil temperatures, longer daylight, more moisture in the air, warm air temperatures, and that's why you might see tiny flies and ants first and butterflies later. Nature staggers the timing on purpose. Early insects help feed birds returning from migration. Later insects appear when flowers bloom. Everything is following the same seasonal schedule. It's pretty amazing timing, right? So what kinds of insects might you notice first in early spring? Well, let's look at a few. One of the first insects I notice are the tiny flies that get trapped in my bird bath. Others seem to hover and dance in the air, sometimes buzzing right in your face. Many of these are non-biting midges, which are often mistaken for mosquitoes. Other early flies are important pollinators to early spring flowers. You will see some common houseflies sunning themselves on the side of your house, but look for early flowers to find pollinator flies, especially the early hoverflies mimicking the look of bees. Ants often become active in early spring because their underground nests warm up. Ant colonies will send out scout workers to explore, and when one finds something useful, such as crumbs, sugar, or a drop of water, she'll leave behind a chemical scent trail called pheromone so that other ants can follow. You will see bees visiting flower even when the air still feels chilly. These early bees pollinate the very first flowers of the season, including many fruit trees and many spring wildflowers. And without these early bees, many spring plants would struggle to reproduce. And now you know, those early spring insects aren't just random bugs showing up, they are following nature's seasonal schedule. So the next time you see ants marching, tiny flies dancing, or a bee visiting a flower, you'll know spring is officially waking up. I'm Dr. Bug, reminding you to stay curious, and I'll see you in the garden. Do you have a question for Dr. Bug? Ask a grown-up for help. The details are below.